Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have a brand new pair of headphones from SoundPEATS. These are the Q36s, and they feature 8 hours of playtime, and they're only $23 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. They come in this nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle them. On the top here, we have this very easy to read quick start guide. Pull out the headphones right here, see what else is in the box. We have a ton of different earpiece fittings, and then also some organizational things. And we have a USB to micro USB charging cable, as well as a very nice carrying case. Now I did a review of the Q30s before, and I use them almost every day. I love this carrying case, so easy to open and close. It's just very easy. Then we have some marketing material and a hefty user manual. So now that we've taken everything out of the box and checked it out, we can go ahead and take a closer look at the headphones here. First thing to note about these headphones, they are magnetic. So if you're working out and you want to take them off, you don't have pockets, or you don't want to put them in your pockets, all you gotta do is just snap them around your neck and you're good to go. Let's take a closer look at the earbud here. As you can see, these are not the over-ear earbuds. These actually fit inside your earlobe and inside your ear canal. I like this design right here. I've never seen magnetic headphones like this that aren't just flat metal. This does have a plastic feel to it, which I think allows it to be a little bit lighter. Moving down to the control area right here, as you can see, we have the standard 3 buttons with the multifunctional in the center, which is pause, play, turning on and off the headphones, and also answering and hanging up calls. And then we have the plus and minus buttons for volume control and track control. Right there we have an LED light that lets you know if it's on or if it's ready to pair. And then we have the micro USB connector for charging the headphones. Now these headphones do have 8 hours of playtime, which I think is enough to get you through the day. So that's good right there, especially for a price of $23. Now that we've taken a look at them, I'm going to change out the earpiece fittings so that they fit my ear and get it hooked to my phone. I, for one, prefer the super tiny earbud pieces. I guess I have a small ear canal, so it feels a little bit better. So I'll just switch those out and then I'll be ready to get them paired. So to get these headphones turned on, we simply hold down the center button till the light turns on. And to get them pairing, you hold them a little bit longer until the light starts blinking red and blue. Alright, there we go. They're in pairing mode. They come up on my phone as Q36 and we're connected. Alright, so after having had some time to try out the Q36s, I have to say, while the audio is very clear, vocals come through great, it's a little tinny. In my opinion, lower frequencies are really lacking with these headphones, so if you're listening to things more like country music, rock, or maybe even just podcasts, I think it's going to sound great, but anything that requires those lower frequencies, such as hip-hop, I think you're going to be a little bit underwhelmed with the audio quality. But like I said, vocals come through great, and that plays along with when you're talking on the phone. You can really hear what the person you're talking to is saying. This is a high-quality microphone. It did a great job picking up my voice, and the conversation was clear, and it was easy to understand what was being said. Very happy with the amount of ear fittings and different ways you can customize these headphones to make them fit your earlobe and ear canal very well. And the price is not bad. So I feel like while these headphones may not have the great low frequency sounds, if that's not really what you're into, then these are great headphones. And for the price, I would get them. So those are the SoundPEATS Q36 wireless headphones. If you have any questions about these, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link in the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If you're interested in seeing some pictures and a write-up of these headphones, check out my blog, GaugingGadgets.com. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.